Hello everyone, if you're searching for the best audio interfaces of 2025, whether it's a budget-friendly option under $100 or a high-quality pick for recording and producing, you're in the right place. From the Universal Audio Volt 1 to the Focusrite Scarlett Solo, we've tested and reviewed the top audio interfaces to help you get pro-level sound without breaking the bank. Whether you're a GarageBand user, an iPad musician, or a studio producer, this video has something for you. Stick around, and don't forget to check the product links in the description. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen remains one of the best audio interfaces of 2025, perfect for guitarists, vocalists, podcasters, and music producers seeking studio-quality sound at an affordable price. Featuring a high-performance 24-bit/192 kHz ADDA converter, this compact USB-powered interface ensures crystal-clear recordings with zero-latency direct monitoring. One of its standout features is the legendary Scarlett preamp with air mode, which adds brightness and clarity to vocals and instruments. The high headroom instrument input makes it ideal for guitarists, while the balanced outputs ensure clean playback for mixing. Whether you're recording in GarageBand, Studio One, or Pro Tools, the Scarlett Solo integrates seamlessly, making it one of the best budget audio interfaces for home studios. Another reason this interface is highly recommended is its plug-and-play setup, which makes it perfect for beginners. It comes bundled with Ableton Live Lite, Focusrite's Hitmaker expansion, and Pro Tools First, offering plenty of tools to get started with professional recording. Plus, with its low-latency performance and sturdy build, it's a reliable choice for musicians on the go. If you're looking for a cheap yet powerful audio interface for recording, the Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen is hard to beat. It's an excellent pick for podcasters, singer-songwriters, and bedroom producers who need studio-quality sound without a hefty price tag. Be sure to check the product link in the description for the latest deals. The Universal Audio Volt 2 is a standout contender among the best audio interfaces of 2025, delivering high-fidelity sound and classic analog warmth in a sleek, portable design. With two premium mic preamps, a vintage mode inspired by classic UA610 tube preamps, and ultra-low latency performance, this interface is a dream for singers, podcasters, and producers alike. What sets the Volt 2 apart is its studio-quality 24-bit/192 kHz audio conversion, ensuring every recording is crisp, clean, and professional. The direct monitoring function allows for real-time playback with zero lag, making it perfect for recording vocals and instruments with precision. It's also bus-powered via USB-C, meaning you can easily use it with Mac, Windows, iPad, and even some Android devices. A huge advantage of the Universal Audio Volt 2 is its included software bundle, featuring Ableton Live Lite, Melodyne Essential, 𝐏𝐫𝐶 Virtual Drummer, and more. Whether you're a GarageBand user, an iPad musician, or a studio producer, the Volt 2 provides an easy setup with uncompromising sound quality. Overall, if you're searching for a budget-friendly, professional-grade USB audio interface, the Universal Audio Volt 2 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for home studios, mobile recording, and content creation, making it one of the best budget audio interfaces this year. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. The Antelope Audio Zen Quadro Synergy Core is a powerhouse among the best audio interfaces of 2025, designed for professionals, producers, and audio engineers who demand high-end performance. Boasting 4 discrete ultralinear preamps, real-time DSP+FPGA effects, and a 14:10 audio interface layout, this unit offers unparalleled flexibility for recording, streaming, and mixing. One of the biggest advantages of the Zen Quadro Synergy Core is its dual USB-C connectivity, allowing for low-latency performance on both Mac and Windows devices. It also supports iOS and Android compatibility, making it perfect for on-the-go recording and mobile setups. With Antelope's renowned AD/DA converters and 64-bit AFC clocking technology, you get exceptional clarity and precision, ensuring your recordings are studio quality. The built-in real-time DSP and FPGA effects processing gives access to professional-grade plugins without straining your computer's CPU, making it a dream for producers and musicians working with demanding projects. If you're looking for a premium, future-proof audio interface that delivers top-tier performance for music production, content creation, and professional recording, the Antelope Audio Zen Quadro Synergy Core is a fantastic investment. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best price. The FIFINE gaming audio mixer, 𝐏𝐫𝐶 SC3, is one of the best audio interfaces of 2025 for streamers, gamers, podcasters, and content creators who need precise audio control. With XLR microphone input, individual volume control, RGB lighting, and 48V phantom power, this mixer provides an all-in-one solution for live streaming and recording. Unlike standard audio interfaces, the 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝 SC3 is specifically designed for gaming and streaming setups, featuring real-time monitoring, customizable sound effects, and mute buttons for quick adjustments. The intuitive volume faders allow for easy sound balancing, while the RGB lighting effects add a stylish touch to any gaming station. A standout feature is its built-in 48V phantom power, making it compatible with XLR condenser microphones for high-quality vocal recording. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, recording a podcast, or communicating in a multiplayer game, this mixer provides studio-quality sound at an affordable price. For streamers, gamers, and content creators looking for a budget-friendly, high-quality audio interface, the FIFINE gaming audio mixer is a fantastic pick. Check out the link in the description to get yours now. The PreSonus AudioBox 96 25th Anniversary Edition is an outstanding choice among the best audio interfaces of 2025, especially for beginners, home studios, and recording artists. With 24-bit/96 kHz resolution, 2 high-quality preamps, and a rugged metal build, this interface is perfect for recording vocals, instruments, and podcasts. One of its biggest advantages is the Studio One Artist DAW software bundle, which provides a powerful yet user-friendly platform for music production. The MIDI I/O makes it an excellent choice for producers using MIDI controllers, while its simple plug-and-play USB connection ensures effortless setup. If you're looking for a cheap, reliable, and high-quality audio interface, the PreSonus AudioBox 96 is a fantastic option. Be sure to check the product link in the description for the best deals.